make this model, you will need 4 different size square pieces. And you make those 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Let's make one of them. I have kami paper, one side is white, one side color. Start out with white side up. It matters which side you are folding, so please pay attention to that. And you will fold it in half to a rectangle. Match the corners and the size. Let's be as precise as possible. As a result, again, you have a rectangle, color side, outside, and unfold that. Turn 90-degree angle. You will make the opposite crease by making rectangle again, but it's a different direction you are folding. And as a result, you have a cross crease. Flip the paper. This time, you will make triangle, and it was color side up. As a result, you have white triangle. Open the paper and turn 90-degree angle. Then you will do the same process. Make triangle again. It's a white triangle. The color is inside. If you don't have a color, if you don't have kami paper, which is one side is white, one side is color, just doodle something on one side to say it's colored. Alright, now we have X crease and cross crease. Next, fold the corner to the very center. It's color side up. So this is the second corner folded to the center, and here's my third. You repeat the same move, and here comes the last one. This is one of the basic folding patterns called blinds. You will see this pattern quite often. Okay, let's get back to it. Now open up to the whole square. And let's look at it this way for the next crease. You will make this crease. First, look at the triangle on the bottom right and fold that triangle in half. But it's only that small triangle you are folding it in half. Do the same fold to other sides, which is 3 more. And right here, exactly the same after you rotated 90-degree angle. Make a sharp crease in that half of the triangle and rotate 90-degree angle. Stick with clockwise. Make a sharp crease. And here's one more. So rotate clockwise 90-degree angle and do the last one. And this step is done. Good job. And please check 4 sides are done. Then let's do next step. Do the blinds again. 4 corners folded to the center. You already had this crease, so it should fold easy. Now pick it up. We are going to make 3D forms from this to a 4-point star. Kind of pinching on the corner, left and right, and squeeze it to the center. And the fold is there, and also just kind of follow to the center. And you see the shape like this, almost pyramid spread to the 4 corners. And then after that, make it flat so that you can enforce the crease. Turn the flap left and right so the vertical crease in the center is enforced. And you will do the same enforcing to the other flaps. And just enforcing, you are not making new crease. And as a result, you have star-like, 4-point star-like, or the pyramid star-like. I kind of think. Okay, now next. Unfold one layer from the triangle shape and pinch the corner and line up to the closest triangle end. And now on the bottom, there's a small triangle flap. Tuck that little flap into the opening, the closest opening. And enforce the crease. And you made a pyramid shape in the backwards. And now, next, you will do the same thing. First, pinch the fold in the middle. You created it before. And pinch that corner and line up with the closest triangle end. And you are not making new crease, and then you are almost just following every line that you created before. I hope this is doable. By looking at the video, my explanation is not that good, but I hope you can see it in the video and figure it out. So the second is done. Please don't give up. Let's do the third one. You will see it again. You unfold the first layer on this side and grab the corner and align with the closest end. On the bottom, here's a flap, the little triangle flap. You will tuck it in to the right side, to the right, into the opening on the bottom, and enforce the crease. You made 3 already, so let's do the last one. And this is a missing part. You will do now. And the last one creates this shape. And flip to the bottom. Here's a small triangle flap. It's a little tricky to tuck the last one, but if you do it from the very corner end, not the highest peak, you have to do the to the peak and the side of the triangle almost at the same time. And press that N. See, I had a little struggle to tuck this right into it, but try over and over. Somehow it will go in there, almost forcing, pushing it in. There. I got the little wrinkles, but it's okay. You're not gonna see it. And here's a unit. It's done. Fold 3 more different sizes. I have an additional piece to complete this Christmas tree. It's tree trunk. If you don't have to have that, it's okay. But I think it's kinda nice to add this look. I'm using 6 inches square kami paper, white side up, and make triangle. And rotate 90-degree angle and do the another one to make X crease on the white side. Unfold that and flip to the color side up and make it into rectangle, white rectangle, and unfold, rotate 90-degree angle, and do the rectangle fold again. Unfold, color side up, use the X crease enforced, and pinch 4 corners and squeeze it to the center. As a result, you have this pyramid shape again. And make it flat. Focus on the vertical center crease and fold the top diagonal folded edge to the vertical center. And on the bottom of the triangle, there's a little triangle sticking out. So you just fold to the shape and tuck that in. Let's do it again. You will do 3 more flaps, all the flaps. So turn the flap like turning the page and fold the top diagonal folded edge to the vertical center. And on the bottom, there's a small triangle sticking out, so tuck that to the back side. And now, after you made a crease, tuck that inside and tuck it in the closest layer so that the 2 flaps separate. And now do the 3rd flap. Flip to the back side. And this is the 3rd one. Fold the top diagonal folded edge to the center. And make a sharp crease because there are layers and it's becoming harder. Tuck the bottom small triangle. And that crease has to be very sharp too. And tuck that inside to the closest layer. Adjust the shape, and here comes the last one. Fold to the center crease. That's the only crease you have, and fold the small triangle on the bottom which was stuck up. Make a sharp crease and tuck that in to the inside. And shape it into a 4-point star. And the tree trunk is done. Next, let's build this up. I grabbed third biggest model, and it will go on top of the biggest by sticking the top of the biggest one to the third one. And grab the second one, and the bottom of the second one will fit into the third one. And the shape look like that. And you can adjust the way it looks, deeper or shallower. And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tree trunk on the bottom. It's smaller piece, so it's a little tricky to put it on the bottom, but match with the shape of the crack on the bottom of the green piece, and the tree trunk goes right in there. The 3 tiers is pretty good, but I'm gonna put the 4th one right on top. And that's the Christmas tree. Wait, to make it really fun Christmas tree, I wanna add the origami star. I happen to have this carpet pin, and you can just insert that conveniently. You can use toothpick too. That works too. If you like to make this origami star, please click the link in the description.